Right, Unit 3. Again, making friends, facing interviews. Tell me about your paternal grandfather.
Tell me about your paternal grandfather. He was a farmer.
Good. Vicky? Vicky, your mic is off.
Tell me about your paternal grandfather. My paternal grandfather was a farmer.
Good. Tell me about your maternal grandfather.
Tell me about your maternal grandfather. He was a government employee. I think he worked at the food department.
Good. Very good. Maybe it's a cooperative. Cooperative, is it a cooperative society or?
Tell me.
Maybe. Okay, next Pam. Sorry.
Actually, I don't.
Find out. You should know, okay? Everything you should know.
Tell me.
The reason I ask these questions are these, right? Now, you all will see, it's in your genetics.
Tell me about your maternal grandfather.
Good.
My maternal grandfather was a businessman.
Very good. What did he sell? What did he sell? Vicky, what did he sell? Can you hear me? Okay, we'll go to... What did he sell?
Everything.
You can tell in Sinhala, come on.
I don't hear.
You can't hear. Sir, I can't hear, okay? I can't hear. Okay, that's okay. We'll go to the next one. What are your greatest strengths?
What are your greatest strengths?
What are your three greatest strengths?
Okay. What are your three greatest strengths? My main one is I never give up.
Good.
Second one, I have good leadership qualities.
Good.
Third one, I'm always think positively.
I always think positively. Very good. Very good. Now, for Unit 4-5, you have to think about examples for these things, okay? You need to tell a story and prove it. Vicky. Okay, Vicky, we have quality problems. So Vicky, you can listen. I will continue with Pam. So when I do the recording, you all can practice and watch the video. So we'll continue with Pam. Vicky can watch. It's okay. What are your three greatest weaknesses?
What are your three greatest weaknesses? My main weakness is I think too much.
Good.
And the second one, I'm little bit sensitive. I forgive always everyone because
I am too forgiving.
I'm forgiving always everyone because as example, someone blamed me. After a few minutes, I'm going to talk with
But this is how you say that. I am too forgiving sometimes.
I'm too forgiving sometimes.
How about your achievements in sports?
Oh, how about the achievements in sports? Actually, sir, I didn't do any sports at school.
Mukutma kare nante sports.
I played, but I didn't win.
එහෙම කියන්න එපා. හරිද? Now you what did you do?
Athletic event.
So you didn't get even third place, right? But you did athletics.
Yes.
What are the events you did?
Running event.
Okay, what? 500, 300, 10 meters, what?
100 meters and yes, 100 and 200 meters.
Okay, so that's what. Try again. Try again. I did athletics. I did athletics. I competed in the 100 meters and MCAN. Try.
I didn't. The last sentence.
Sorry?
I couldn't hear last sentence.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear last.
Yeah. What? Sorry. How about? We'll try again. How about your achievements in sports? Try again.
How about achievements in experience or achievement?
How about your achievements in sports?
How about your achievements in sports? I did athletics. And I participated for 100 and 200 running events.
I did athletics. That's sentence number 1. Sentence number 2 would be, I took part in the 100 meters.
Sir,
And
I couldn't hear that word.
I took part.
I took part.
මොකක්ද ඒකට කියන්නේ මේ 100 meters එකට කියන්නේ මොකක්ද ඒකට කියන්නේ in the 100 meters and 5
කෙටි දුර දිවීම.
Oh, 100 meters. ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් රිසර්ච් කරලා කියන්න. හරිද? ඒක මෙහෙමයි. I competed in the 100 meters and මොකක්ද අනිත් එකේ 500ද?
200.
Okay, I competed in the 100 meters and 200 meters events කිව්වට කමක් නැහැ. හැබැයි මම ස්පෝර්ට්ස් කරලා නැහැ. ඒක හන්දා පොඩ්ඩක් හොයලා බලන්න ඕක. යාළුවෝ කවුරු හරි ඇතිනේ කරපු. හරිද? ඔකට නමක් තියෙනවා මං හිතන්නේ. athletics කෙටි දුර එකට ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් ඇති short distance හරි මොකක් හරි එකක් ඇති. හරිද? Because you have to sound professional, right? කිසි දෙයක් නෑ කියන්න එපා. You have to market yourself. Participating is a good thing. හරිද? එතකොට did you win කිව්වත් I only managed to participate. එතන I කියන්නේ බොරු කියන්නේ නෑනේ. හැබැයි කියන්න පුළුවන් ඉහළම විදිහෙන් කියන්න ඕනේ. I participated but we couldn't win. හරිද? I couldn't win නෙවෙයි we couldn't win. නෑ team events නම් team events නම් we couldn't win. Individual නම්
I couldn't.
Oh.
Actually, sir, in the university, I am playing badminton.
So ඒකනේ කියන්නේ you have to අර positive light එකෙන් දෙන්න ඕනේ. So are you in a team?
No, not team. We can go to our badminton court and we can play.
Okay, so you can say that. Okay. So talk about school also, and then you talk about university also, right? Okay, so ඒක එන්න ඕනේ මෙහෙම මම record එකට කියන්න you can practice. At school I competed in the 100 meter and 200 meter athletic events. At university I currently play badminton. Okay, right. What about your extracurricular activities?
What about your extracurricular activities? In my primary school, I was a member in the
නෑ මෙහෙමයි දැන් ඔයා යුනිවර්සිටි නේ ඉන්නේ හරිද? ඒවා වැඩි ඕනේ නැහැ. දැන් යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ එක්ස්ට්‍රා කරිකියුලර් මොනවද කරන්නේ? you're organizing some මොකද්ද කිව්වනේ ලොකු තනතුරක් තියෙනව නේද?
Hey, batch representative.
Now tell me in English. What do you do?
I'm a batch representative in our university, and I was a girl guide.
Very good.
And I was a senior prefect. I was a senior prefect at the Mahinda Rajapaksa College.
Very good. Super. Iskola nan kiyanne epa. Good. Well done. It's okay. Do you have any professional achievements? Well done.
Do you have any professional achievements? Yes, I have.
Good. What are they?
After the A-level, I got some internships.
Good.
One is from ITI, and the next one is from the GAD, and the third one I got from the Slimtech.
Good. Now don't tell the names of the organizations. You have to work on that, okay, and think about it and tell me the field, kshetra. For example, again, without giving the name, I work for an so I'll give you time to prepare. That's very important. Good. And we'll continue. Go to the next one. Can you list the skills you have in the order of proficiency? Now that you have to think, okay, you have to make a list of your skills, and number one has to be at the top. Yeah, so you have to be very good at it, right? So list all your skills and then put numbers and think about it. So you need time to plan that. You need to have the answer ready on a piece of paper, okay? Next one is, what are your values and principles? දැන් ඕක අහපු ගමම මිනිස්සු උඩබිම යනවා හොල්මන් වෙනවා මොකක්ද ඒ කියලා හරිද? මොකද දැන් කාලේ මිනිස්සුන්ට values නැහැ, principles නැහැ, ප්‍රතිපත්ති නැහැ, මුකුත් නැහනේ. ඕන එකක් මුදලට හරිද? තාත්තව අම්මව හරි විකුණයි දැන් කාලේ හරිද? එහෙමත් නැහැ. ඒ වුණාට ඒව කවුරු කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් පොඩ්ඩක් ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් ඒ ගැන හිතන්න ඕනේ. because දැන් මෙතන අදහස ඉන්ටර්විව් එකක් ජය ගන්න එක, right? So ඒකට ගැලපෙන්න you have to really think what your values are.
No, now I can list my qualities what I have.
Good.
So but there is some problem. I don't know how to number it.
මෙහෙමයි. You just write them. හිතට එනකොට ඔහෙ ලියාගෙන යනවා. You just ඔහෙ ලියාගෙන යනවා. හිතට එනකොට ලියාගෙන පේලියට ලියන් යනවා. And then you think and you number. මේක මගේ කීයද? මේක number 1. මේක මගේ කීයද? මේක number ඊට පස්සේ ඔහොම බලලා numbers දාන්න අඩු කරන්න. number 3 තුනක් තියෙනවා නම් 3A 3B 3C කියලා දාන්න. So ගිහින් අන්තිමටම ලස්සනට numbers දාන්න පුළුවන්. It's a process. You have to really think about it. The idea is this: you have to know what you're really good at, and you have to build your career on that. You have to know what your greatest weaknesses are. You will not know what your weaknesses are, right? Your brothers will know, your sisters will know, your mother will know, your father will know, your best friends will know, right? Someone who's married, the අනිවාර්යෙන් බැනපු කෙනා දන්නවා දිග ලිස්ට් එකක් වැරදි. So you have to find out and you have to list them and you have to take it very seriously because තමන්ට තමන්ගේ වැරදි පේන්නේ නැහැ.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, so then when you know that, you can work on it. එතකොට මේ තමන්ගේ weak තැන කාගේ හරි උදව්වක් ඉල්ලන්න පුළුවන්. තමන් strong තැන වැඩියෙන් බර ගන්න පුළුවන්, right. So now this is the homework for both of you. You will start එතනින් එහාට යන්න you have to දැන් මෙහෙම බෑ හිත කියන්න බෑ හරිද කට වෙඩි වගේ තියෙන්න ඕන උත්තර. So you all will have a dialogue. Unit 1 dialogue, Unit 2 dialogue, Unit 3 dialogue. එතන මම එක වචනයක්වත් කියන්නේ smooth වට යන්න ඕනේ. For example, which country are you from? I'm from Sri Lanka. Which country are you from? I'm from Ethiopia. අන්න එහෙම. Okay? Right. So two of you practice Unit 1, 2, 3. අද කීය වෙනකොටද ඔය තුනම dialogues දෙන්නටම වතුර වගේ කියන්න පුළුවන් කීයටද? In other words, how much time do you want to train? දැන් ඔයාගේ වැරදි මම කිව්වා. වැරදි කියන්නේ learning points. Now your challenge, you have to teach everything to Vicky. How much time do you want?
Half an hour.
Half an hour කියන මහන්සි නම් මදි හොඳටම. මේකයි.
No. 1 hour and a half an hour.
Without a single mistake, I want the 3 dialogues. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. මම මුකුත් කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ වතුර වගේ dialogue එක යන්න ඕනේ. හරි? How much time?
2 hours. Then now 2 hours.
Okay. So
Sir,
unit.
Jenny sent me a message. Her data is over.
Okay, no worries. So you all sort that out. You can give her a voice call. Sort it out. When you're ready for a test, Unit 1, 2, 3. වතුර වගේ යන්න ඕනේ. When you're ready for a test, give me a call. But WhatsApp කරන්නකො tell me when you're ready, okay? Okay, all the best. See you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
All the best. You're welcome.